boys, girls, welcome to Guitar Guitar. I'm getting to like Dogstar more and more. You're great. And this song is called This Sphere. So let's start out with this song. And we can see here, no need for any capo. We have clean on the fretboard. And let's go through the chords like we normally do. And we're going to start with that G. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have B minor next, bar chord. So place the index finger on the second fret, 5 strings, if you count from bottom up, is what you need to push down. And then fourth D, fourth G, and third B. We have the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord still on the second fret, this time all strings with your index finger. And then you need to add fourth A and fourth D. We have D next. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We're gonna stick to this 4 down strumming. It's very simple. So if you grab the first chord G, 1 string around goes. I like to emphasize the third down. That's pretty much where it goes. So if you're gonna play bass, bass, then on the third down, you go down on the high strings and back to bass on the fourth. And that is 1 string around. So bass, bass, top bass. And so on. All right, so let's start with the first verse. So you're gonna play G2, B minor 2, D2, and F sharp 2. That is 1 chord progression around. You're gonna play it for 4 times, okay? So 4 times of that. Then comes an instrumental part. What you're gonna play here is G4, D2, and A2. You're gonna play it once, and then you go back to play the second verse. So we have just this instrumental part to divide these 2 verses from each other. And the second verse is played in the exact same way as the first one. So G2, B minor 2, D2, and F sharp minor 2. Then at 1 minute and 38 seconds in starts the chorus, okay? So what happens is bulletproof. That's where on the lyrics you're gonna play now A4, G4, back to A4, then G2 and F sharp minor 2. Okay, so A4, G4, A4, G2, F sharp 2. And that's the chorus. You're gonna play it once here in this first chorus. Then comes this instrumental part again. This time you're gonna play that G4, D2, and A2 for 4 rounds. So 4 times of that G, D, and A. Then you're gonna jump back to the second chorus, and this time you're gonna play it twice as long as the first one. So 2 rounds of that A, G, F sharp minor. And once you play that, you're gonna finish off with this second instrumental round, and you're gonna play it in the same way as the first one. And that, my friends, is how you handle it. Dogstar, The Sphere, cool song. I love that band. And you have that great voice, the lead singer, also the one on the bass. You know who that is. Keanu, a great musician as well. All right. So if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to thumb up this tutorial. And I want to mention my other YouTube channel. It's called Guitar Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Okay, the link is up here somewhere. You can click on that and go and help me out. It's a new channel where you learn a song from the beginning till the end. I show you all the chords, so I don't talk at all. Just play for you. You can follow along with the chords shown on the screen. So go and help me out there, guys. 6 strings ago. That's where you need to go from now on. And so, yeah, nothing else to say. Thank you for watching here, guys. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.